How to fix Ubisoft Connect Store not loading. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Ubisoft Connect application. So as you can see, I have the latest version of the application on my device. So I'm going to go back on the home screen and then make a long press on the Ubisoft Connect application. Then tap on App Info. Now after tapping on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as camera, files and media as well. After that, tap on the power button and tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might fix Ubisoft Connect Store not loading. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.